Hello dear teachers, welcome to our English class. In this video, we will learn about the adjectives and the order of adjectives. First, adjectives ఎలా introduce చేయాలో చూద్దాం. In that previous video, we learned an adjective is a word that describes a person, place or thing. Like for example, we will see now you can first you can talk about the color. What is the color of this dog? It's blue. So, it's a blue dog. So, the adjective is blue. And now ask the students to find out the colors or what them, let them describe this. It's a chimpanzee. And what is the color of the chimpanzee? I mean, of course, it's a toy. It's orange and even we can find yellow, right. So, now it tells about the color and now we will see what do you find here? A small girl and a tall girl. And what is the color of the hair? Black hair and you can find brown hair, short hair and long hair, right. So, these are called adjectives because it adds about the color or the size or shape. Now, we will play a small game like you have to supply the adjectives with A, B, C, D or even up to Z also. Give this activity to your students. A to Z activities వరకు పిల్లలు ఎన్ని adjectives చెప్తారో చూద్దాం. The sentence goes like this. I saw an active monkey. Wow, I saw an attractive monkey. Oh, I saw an awesome monkey. Okay, like that. Whatever, let them tell. I saw a beautiful flower. I saw a blue flower. I saw a green flower, or even they can say, I have a beautiful flower, right. And you can say, I met a cute cat, I met a cunning cat. You can say, I met a clever cat. In this way, ask your children to tell lot of words from A to Z. And if you say D, you can find here like a duck, right. It's a dangerous duck really because it wants to find the key, it lost the key. But see, there are a lot of things. What other colors you can find? How is the truck? It's red, right. Even you can find a frog. What is the color of this frog? Green. It's a green frog. The green is adjective. And white duck, white is adjective. Dangerous duck, dangerous is adjective. And this one is a clever frog, clever is adjective. And red van, red is adjective, right. In this way, you pick any books or toys or to introduce adjectives to the students. Well, this is what we learn how you can describe a person, place or a thing. Now, we will talk about we are going to learn the order of adjectives. That is very important. First, if there are 2 or 3 or more adjectives in one sentence, you have to follow certain order. First, you have to follow the number, like I have a, then opinion, is it beautiful or lovely, and the third one is size. You have to say whether it is big or small or large. And then you have to talk about age, like is it modern or old or ancient. And then you have to talk about the shape, is it round or oval. And then you have to talk about color, is it blue or yellow or green. And then you can think about its an origin, is it from India or Chinese or Japanese. And then you have to think about the material, like is it golden or silver or metal. And then you can think about the purpose also. This is the order of the adjectives. Now, in the lesson we can find necklace, right. That is first a necklace and then a diamond necklace, then you are going to add a big diamond necklace, and then you can say a beautiful big diamond necklace. And then if you want to add the color, where will you add? A beautiful big blue diamond necklace. In this way you can tell the order of adjectives. Well, that is all for today, and you can give lot of activities to your children to help them to speak and describe about a person, place or thing or animals.
Good.
Thank you.